Okie dokes. This is my simple way of frying some chicken when you don't have eggs. I always have a good stockpile of flour, pure corn oil. I always have breadcrumbs. This is Italian style. There's a lot of different types. So we just heated up the oil here. Run it on a low heat. Actually, I got to turn this down a little bit. Okay. I've got some chicken cutlets. Real quick, easy way to do this. Okay, here's your flour and here's your breadcrumbs. Just mix them together. Like I say, I like to have the eggs too. I like to do 3-part because then the crust on the fried chicken is thicker. But I don't have any eggs right now. So anyway, just mix your whatever your favorite style breadcrumbs and whatever type of cooking oil you like. So we've got a couple of little cutlets here. Real simple. And let's just see. Okay. Put it in. And I got another one here. Let's run that in there. You could also use butter. Melt some butter firsthand. And then go from the flour to the butter, back to the flour, to the butter, to the breadcrumbs. That's another way I cook up chicken cutlets. And that's quite good. Actually, it'll be a little crustier, a little thicker crust. Okay? So, that's it. You know, just a short video here. I'm cooking inside. I had a 3-burner stove here, but I had no countertop. I just had, in this RV, just the sink and a 3-burner stove. There was a burner here and a burner there, and there was 3 controls here. Now, I made this little tile countertop. Screwed it in too, so it stays in place. And I just have the one control now, 1 burner. I really am not a gourmet cook, but I do, the things I do cook taste good. So anyway, I like that countertop now. I got all that countertop space I didn't have before. I didn't need 3 burners. I do stews and stuff. Hot dogs and beans. I put a pot on there, boil the hot dogs for 10 minutes. Take the hot dogs out, dump the water, put the can of beans in the same pot, cut up the hot dogs into small pieces, put that into the pot, and there's my hot dogs and beans. Real easy, 1 pot type of cooking. So, and this is going to be good. It's not going to be as good as if you have eggs. If you scramble some eggs and did 3, flour, breadcrumbs, and eggs, and you do that twice. You go through those 3 when you're frying. Fish, same thing with fish. If you're frying fish, then you get a nice thick crust. But anyway, this is a quick and easy meal. And just cooking out in the boondocks. And that's all I have to say in this video. So this is Eagle Eric signing out.